How's it going? Today I'm playing Poppy Playtime, except there are random sound effects playing in the background. So hopefully you enjoy it. Let's get right into it, I guess. Alright. Now then I can start playing the game. New game.
You are about to see
Who are
the
you?
most incredible doll ever invented.
Wait,
Her
it
name
is.
is Poppy, and she is the first truly intelligent doll in the world.
So well.
A little girl can talk to her. Poppy gives her answers.
Dang, I'm
She's the
sad that
first
Jason
doll
missed that.
actually able to have a conversation with a
Jason,
child.
unmute the stream.
Hard to believe?
Jason,
Just
you would have
watch.
loved that.
Poppy Playtime! Poppy's as lovable as a real girl, and she talks like one too.
Who are you?
Hi, my name is Poppy. I love you.
That's weird.
Can you help me polish my shoes?
Brandon.
No.
Why, of
Yeah.
course,
This is a
Poppy.
horror game.
Just like a real girl,
You're right.
Poppy always wants to look her best.
Perfect. Thank you.
Her hair is sturdy and won't come out when you brush it. It smells just like a poppy flower. Is there anything
I
else
love
you'd like
this.
to say,
I
Poppy?
love this.
I'm a real girl, just like you.
What's the time?
I'm a boy, but alright.
And if you've ever wanted to see how all of the nation's favorite toys were created, Playtime Co. is now offering factory tours at just $2.99 a person.
That's
An
weird.
entire hour in the most magical toy
$2.99.
factory on Earth.
Yeah.
What are you waiting for?
What a steal.
Come visit the factory.
Really?
We can't...
There's no universe where this didn't.
I can't tell if the breathing is a sound effect or if it's in the game. I really just can't tell. I feel like there's about to be a jump scare. No, there
No.
isn't.
Why would there be a jump scare at the
Is
beginning
it-
of the
I
game?
can't tell if this is the game or not.
Jason, are you watching?
Not at the moment. I'm downloading the file.
This is so funny.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, the sensitivity's so high. Let me fix that.
Why do game? Yeah, preach.
Okay. That looks pretty good.
Dude, I don't know about you, but I'm playing Angry Birds.
Put the tape in the VCR.
Hi, my name is Leif Pierre, and I'm the head of innovation here at the Playtime Co. Toy Factory.
My
If you're
name
seeing
is
this,
my name
you're
is
trespassing.
Slim Shady.
Yeah, we play this little tape on loop whenever we close the factory
I'm
for the
Slim
day.
Shady. Slim
So,
Shady.
trespasser, just to make you aware, while we pride ourselves primarily
Oh,
on
my
our
eyes.
high-quality toys and excellent child care, we also pride ourselves on our security. For example, this facility is full of hidden motion triggers, which, once set off, will turn on the factory's emergency alarms and directly contact
Really?
the authorities.
Oh, I hate that. Oh wait,
That's
no,
one
those
of
aren't
the
gonna
more
pop up in the
hidden
recording. It's
aspects
good.
of our security system. No
I don't
spoilers.
think.
So, you've got my warning. It's not too late to
Big
turn
deal, I'll
around.
just cut it.
I just hope that you're certain whatever you're doing is worth it.
Oh, it's
You're
so
gonna
worth
have
it.
you're gonna have my little laugh track. Bruh.
Ugh.
Sensory overload. This is how you kill a Vietnam veteran.
Yep. Yep.
They didn't die in Vietnam, but they will die from this.
Can crouch. Can I take the money from the register? Oh. I can jump and it sounds like my ankles are breaking.
I didn't even know this game could look this bad. Freaking Pipsqueak is impossible to kill.
Let me buy.
Go crazy! Oh, go stupid! Oh, go crazy! Go stupid! Oh, go crazy! Yeah! Go stupid! Go crazy! Oh,
Why is this still going on?
That's a long one.
That was a longer one. Let me in. Is the computer? I don't understand.
I'm gonna stand.
That's what I'm saying.
Rest in peace, Too Mad.
What?
You said that.
I said that?
No, Too Mad said that. He said, I don't understand.
Why are you running?
Okay.
Why are you running?
Green, pink, yellow, and red. I'm gonna try that on the door.
Oh, did you survive that?
Green, pink, yellow, red. That actually worked. Hello. Is there another VHS tape? There it is.
You're gonna have a hard time determining when a jump scare actually happens.
Yeah.
Wait, is this not the... Oh, is that was...
That was the dementia music.
Yeah.
I understand. Only fire at small objects. Do not fire at coworkers. May cause injury. It's where wire is conductive. Use it for rewire. Thank you. Of course. Use the grab pack responsibly. Okay. Hand it over. Epic. My hand now.
Hamburger.
Mine.
High five.
High five. Hand me your eyeball. I can open the door. Yay. Give me my hand. Hello.
Bing.
Give me your balls.
That's a rude thing to say to someone.
High five. Why is there blood on the floor? You should fix that.
Bing.
That's horrifying.
That's a nice thing to hear.
Yeah. I guess
Aaron.
let's go here.
You need the red one.
That didn't. What the heck? Testing, maybe? Oh, I gotta wake up, guys.
That's that part
Guys,
of
I
it,
gotta
that's
wake
hilarious.
up. I need to wake up.
What the heck is the freaking caca? Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac
That's my
Whopper.
alarm.
Anyway, guys, I gotta get that real quick.
I hit that. Oh, you have the key. Give that to me. Doesn't open that door.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. Hamburger.
Doesn't open that door. Doesn't open that door. Where does the key go? Does it go here? Or is it the last door I tried? I'm gonna touch it. That's probably not good. Anyways. Stool. I have problems with my stool. I can't touch that. Do be kind to others, show up on time, not hide behind doors to scare. Okay. Do not stay past 8 p.m. Misuse company time, tamper with machinery.
Oh, look at that girl.
Enter innovation.
Girl spotted.
Going without authorization. I can't tell if this is the game. Okay, nope, it was a sound effect. High voltage, touch. Walter.
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 Dude is glued to the ledge.
There we go. Walter. Let's get out of this joint. There we go. Where did he go?
What are you talking about?
Where did he go?
What do you mean?
Where is the big guy? Hamburger.
What do you mean?
Where's the... Good.
What do you mean?
Where's the... That's not alarming at all. Make a friend.
Brandon, be careful going down this hallway.
What the heck was that? What the heck was
Brandon,
that?
be careful going down this hallway.
Hello, buddy, you in here? I love
Be
you.
careful going down this hallway. This one's a doozy.
Really?
Be careful going down this hallway, Brandon.
Oh, that made me jump.
This one's a doozy.
Really?
There's one jump scare in this game,
Really?
and you're almost there.
Was it that pipe?
Yeah, it was the pipe.
Blue guy, you in here? I miss you.
Are you even affected by them anymore?
The sound effects?
Yeah.
It's just a part of my life now. Mine. Where did it go?
Into you.
I ate it?
Is that a red glove across from you?
That? Whee. Oh, that didn't break my ankles. Let's go. I need to.
Do you normally break your ankles on a 1 foot drop?
That was a little bit more than 1 foot.
Yeah, you're closer to 1 foot than I am, so.
The timing. The timing for the regular show intro. Where's the other power source? I'm just gonna ignore that. The big guy just kind of disappeared. I'm just not gonna worry about that. He's probably...
What do you mean? There was never a big guy.
What do you mean?
What big guy are you talking about?
There was a big guy. There was like a big blue guy, maybe purple. Who knows? I think I'm just crazy. Just over here.
You should hop on top of the shelves.
Oh, those? And like do parkour by hamburger.
Why not?
Just run around here real quick. I just get high. Oh wait, I need to. I got places to be. Okay, I'm just missing the yellow one. Okay, I can't jump on that.
You're short.
Yeah.
You could just step over that.
I could. Okay. Nice jazz run.
Oh heck yeah.
Uh-huh.
Did you put that baby head in your pocket?
I think I did.
Bye.
Bye? What are we saying bye to?
You said later.
Oh, Jason did? My bad.
Dog.
Oh, there it is.
The Tesseract.
Hamburger.
Oh yeah, that's the new hand. Epic.
Claw.
Hand it over. I want it.
This is the doctor brought me my prosthetic leg.
Do I know?
That's how the doctor brought me my prosthetic leg. How are you so bad?
What?
This is where you need to look out.
What do you mean? I feel like you're just telling me things now.
It says do not enter for a reason.
Don't let me out.
Grab
Yeah, where's the start of the circuit?
the thing you just grabbed.
It won't let me hold on to it.
No, look to your right.
Yeah.
Wait. You can't go up there. Why do you keep trying? Just grab things, man. Why can't you go up that one but not the other?
Here we go again.
There we go. I'm really good at this.
Close your eyes.
Why?
This is the scary part.
What do you mean? Dang, that's loud.
Tricked you. This was a horror game.
No.
Make a friend.
Oh, hello. Needs power. I'm good at that part.
Don't we all?
Nobody leaves without a toy. Okay, then, if you say so.
Put your hands in the air! No one's leaving without a toy.
just go up top and see. What?
雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，
Huh?
天地一片苍茫。
Oh, I'm vibing with this. Loop around it. You gotta loop around that one.
Yeah. So wait, I could just. Ah, they blocked it off. Oh, okay.
Hitbox.
Well, I don't know, man.
Are you
Been seeming sus lately.
Are you?
Looks like we have an imposter among us. I saw that you wanted. Don't lie to me, Walt.
Huh?
Sussy baka.
What?
Hey,
Hey.
author Don William.
Hey.
Also goes by AJ.
Hey, AJ.
Is
Happy
this
birthday, man.
is this 10 hours of
Yeah.
silence occasionally broken by Hank Schrader?
Happy birthday. I hope you have a great
I
one.
guess.
Take care, and don't break bad.
Don't break bad.
hamburger?
Yes, sir.
If you say so.
Such a funny running noise. That's a goofy noise.
I don't understand this. I think I'm stupid.
Are you kidding?
My own arm. 1 second, I gotta type a 12 paragraph essay real quick. So maybe if I hit that. Did my arm just retract? Okay, I think I understand. Hit it with that arm. Run around, tap that. Run around that. You serious? You serious? There we go. Okay. Hit that. Okay. Look over that knife. And across. Touch that. Touch that. Okay. Not that. Touch that. Touch that. Run around, run around, run around, run around, run around. Yes. Yes! Oh, I'm so smart.
Cut down about 5 minutes of that,
Yeah.
so then you'll look really smart.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut a lot of that. Ugh! Broke my ankles. Oh, I actually took damage. Okay, now we have
How did you
to. That was so loud. I gotta turn down that sound. Okay. There we go. What'd you say?
How do you take damage? You didn't have a health bar.
You're right.
You did it.
I want a goober. Give me a goober. Let me in. Oh, hello. I want a goober.
I don't think you're just supposed to stand here, are you?
I don't know where I'm supposed to go.
Oh, you're supposed to put one in the key. Open that door.
It's open. Oh, that door, yeah. where's a guy? I need a guy.
Presumably it will pop out. Yeah, look, it's coming down the conveyor belt.
Where? It's a goober! Hand him over. Hand him over. Hand him over. Hand him over.
I like how they added a little turn, so you have to sit there for 10 more seconds.
Hand him over. Alright. Give it to me. Give him. Mine. You're mine. You're coming home with me. Get in there.
No, it's not yours anymore.
No, it's not mine now.
Whoa, it just disappeared.
Where did it go? That door's locked. That door's locked. Oh, hello, 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 guys. Hey, buddy. I
I'd
love
go to
you.
your right if I were you. Nope, your other right. Oh, no, go. Why did all of them happen right after?
Hamburger.
Okay. So, escape plan there.
Hold on.
So, hi, buddy.
Behind you.
Our table! It's broken! Well, the table broke.
Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hello. Oh no, I'm stuck, aren't I?
Look around.
I'm stuck.
Why did you look around?
I was stuck there. Oh my gosh.
You were supposed to look around.
Oh my gosh, I looked around.
You looked in the same direction, and also in his jaws.
Okay. Okay, speed run this. Buddy. Oh yeah. Okay, down this way. Down.
Say it, John Cena.
Left, right, up. U-turn. Up, but this way. Jump across now. Straight. Down.
Look your right, look your right, look your right.
Right. Nope, not to my right. I got stuck. I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. I'm literally stuck. Let me sprint. Let me run.
Look up, look up, look up, look up.
Oh. Okay.
How high is your heart rate?
Pretty high. You see, this is why I wish I had, like, some way to monitor it.
Like you're a Super Mario speedrunner?
Yeah. Oh, hello there.
The genres have changed.
Yep. 1 second, I gotta plug back in something. Oh.
Hamburger.
Oh. Is this a portal to hell?
I'm not sure how many of those there are out.
Oh, hello.
It's her.
Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that?
You opened my case.
Yes, I did. That's it.
Female narrator Emily Frongi.
That's it.
I told you it's a tech demo.
I guess.
It's free. Oh, that was fun.
That was kind of funny. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know another game to play, and I'll see you next time.